Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Bafna. Welcome to my Agentforce series. In today's video, we're going to see how to update comments on the existing case. So we can ask Agentforce to update the comments on the existing case. So Agentforce may ask you for the case number for which you need to update the comments. We're going to see that particular demonstration. So in previous video, we have already seen how to retrieve the case status, how to create the case using Agentforce. This video will be focusing on updating the comment on the existing case. Let's get started. We will going to take the case number as an input, and then we will also take the comments as the input, and we will going to update the comments for that particular case number. Okay. So let me do one thing. So first thing, as always, we will create a flow. So let me put in quick find a flows. This is my flows. I will simply say new flow. Let me close everything. I will use the auto launch flow, which can be launched by our Agentforce. The first thing, I have to declare some input and output variables. I will just say new resource. I will select as a variable. Then I will just say case number. I need case number as my input. Provide the case number for which comments needs to be added. So I will use this as a text field, and this is always available as the input. Then the second input variable, I am expecting what is the comments needs to be updated. So comments, then I will just say provide the comments that needs to be added for existing case. Then again, this is of type text, and this is always available for input. Then finally, I will declare one output variable, that is outcome message. This is outcome which will tell case comment added or not. Again text, this time it is available for the output. Okay, so now we get the case number, but for updating the case comment we need a case ID. So we will retrieve a case ID first. So for that we will use get records. Then I can just say get case details, retrieve the case details on basis of case number. Your object will be case only. Then filter, I will get the case number as an input, so I can add the case number is equal to case number. So case number is the variable which we will get in the input. Cool. So now we get the case ID. So I will just say create records. So I want to create a comment. Create case comments. Create the case comments. Then here I will just say manually. I will just update the manually. Now what object? So we have a child object for case where we maintain all the case comments, which is known as a case comment. Okay, so let's first thing we want a parent ID. So we can get the parent ID from this get case detail. So let's see where is my case details. Yeah, this is case from case detail, and what I want case ID from there. That is my parent ID. Next thing I want to update the comment. Comment is nothing updated in body, and comment is my variable which I will get as an input. Then also make sure we want to publish this. So always pass publish as a true. Okay. Then here you can check the condition whether is updated or not, but I will just simply use the assignment and just assign the output variable, assign outcome. outcome message, case updated or case comment added successfully. Okay, save it, give a name, Agentforce add case comments by case number. This flow will add case comments by case number. Okay, save it, all looks good, just activate it. Okay, so now we have created the flow where we get a case number as the input and comments as the input. We will first retrieve the case details so we can get the case ID. So now we have a create case comment. So create case comment, like where we want to create a comments in the case comment object, which is a child object of the case, right? And this is the parent ID. So where we will pass the case ID, right? Then body, which is the comment, and the publish equals to true. Then we will just assign the output. Here you can check whether the update it's not updated, or you can add some kind of exception. So I can do something like this, add fault path. Okay, and here I can assign something like, if something goes wrong, so I want to set outcome message case comment addition field. Okay, this is field message assignment. Simple, just, yeah, you can do that. Okay, so I can simply say save as a new version. Okay, I can activate this. Okay, it is got activated. Now I can just go to my SO Agentforce, which we have created in previous video. Agentforce agents. So just search for your Agentforce agent. Okay, this is my ASO service agent. I will open this in the builder. So let's see, like, let's try, like, no, we already have done something in previous videos. So I just get the status of case. Okay, so let's see. So it get the status of case is 10 is 0, 30 is new. Okay, so it's working. Like, so now what I will do, I will go to case management topic. I will select this topic action. I will just say new, create new action. Here in the I will select flow and Agentforce add case comments by the case number. This is my action. Next, here I can just say adding case comment, that is my loading text in case if there's a delay while updating, so it will just show adding the case comments. Let's see. Yeah, I want to collect from require, collect data, require input, collect user data. I will just say, so I just required comments and from the user, and it's our input, and I want to showcase this outcome message into the conversation. Just say finish. That's a we have added action. Now I need to update some topic configuration. Need to provide add some instruction. Okay, add the case comments. Okay, add the case comments. Okay, so you can just say add the case comment and ask user for the case number for adding the case comment. I will add some more instruction. You can just say provide outcome message once case is update added or not. Let's see whether we are able to do that. Refresh. Okay, the first thing I will say, show me the status of case 000001030. This is one of the case number. Okay, add the comments for the case. So I already, it will ask, could you please provide the comments you add for case 00103. It is confirming either you want to add the case for this, because previously we already provide the case number, right? So it is confirming. If you say the no, it will ask for the new case number, but let's add for this. What is the status? Don't like please provide me the status on the case and why there is so delay in fixing my issue. Okay, the comment has been added successfully on 00103. So let me go and check. So this is my ticket 00103. So let's see, and see here you can see the Einstein user already added that, can please provide the status on cause case why there is a delay in fixing the issue. Okay, so let's close this. Let me go back. Let me refresh this. I will simply not start with I want to update the comments on case. Okay, so I will just provide some number. What happens? Let's see. Let me put some, like, some number. What it does? It seems, could you please it seems there was issue adding the comments. Could you please verify the case number and the comments and try again? Okay, so let me give another number which is the correct one. Okay, so I can just say, I will just put some test comments. Okay, the comment has been added successfully. The case there anything else I want to assist with you. So go back, I will just duplicate this. I will leave this. So let's see what happened to case 0000109. So this is the case. Okay, it's saying test comment which we have passed. Okay, so we have seen like how we can add the comments to the case using Agentforce, right? So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.